In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the API MSWin core process threads L110 idle error on Windows. This issue often appears when you're trying to run certain applications, and it's typically due to a missing or corrupted DLL file that's crucial for your system to function properly. But don't worry, resolving this problem is simpler than it may seem, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to visit the official Microsoft website. This is vital because you want to ensure that you're downloading authentic and safe software. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, you'll need to download the Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio. This package is part of the standard libraries required by Windows applications and should help replace the missing components. When you arrive at the download page, it's essential to select the correct file for your system. If you're unsure whether you're running a 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows, a quick way to check is by going to your system settings. Navigate to About Your PC, where you'll find the system type listed. You'll need this information for the next crucial step. Once you know your system type, select vc/redist.x64.exe if you're on a 64-bit version of Windows, or vc/redist.x86.exe for a 32-bit version. Choosing the correct file ensures compatibility and functionality, so double-check before proceeding. After your selection, commence the download. With the installer now downloaded, go ahead and run the executable file. Doing so will prompt the installation process. This installer will guide you through the process with on-screen instructions that are straightforward to follow. Make sure you accept the terms and conditions when prompted, and then click Install to begin. It's a simple process that usually takes just a few moments to complete. Once the installation wraps up, it's recommended that you restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all changes take effect and any pending updates are applied correctly. As your computer reboots, it resets any programs or services that might have been affected by the missing file, potentially resolving your issue entirely. After your computer has restarted, try launching the application that initially gave you trouble. It should now run without issue, and your system should be back in good working order. I hope this tutorial has helped fix the API MSWin core process threads L110 idle error you were experiencing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.